going on, guys? So today we're going to be rebuilding my new to me 231J transfer case. My one got a lot of chain slap in it. You could hear it grinding, making a lot of angry noises. So we're just going to put a slip yoke eliminator on this one, so I have it. So I'm going to swap the other one out in a later video. So let's get started.
You want speed over everything else.
I think there's a rusted on there.
We finally got over that little. There it goes. See?
Tap taparoo happy.
It's not gonna go over those slides.
Wow.
It's bent a little now.
Yeah.
You know, just standing in front of the camera.
I don't care.
And they pop that seal out.
Washer. Seal.
Someone should probably remember
Here,
how
I
these
can do
go on.
that. Well, this whole piece is coming off, so
Okay.
you gotta take this off, right?
Yeah.
You gotta remember where all these go.
Yeah.
We got it on video, it's fine.
Ish.
You're good. Just walk it out.
A little dusty.
So it's probably a 10. Because everything in this world revolves around 10s. Do you have an extension?
I don't know, do you?
Yeah, but I felt like saying like you're a helper.
It's not my tub, it's Dad's.
There's oil.
Oh, a lot of oil.
Well, that's good.
Hey, flip it back over. Flip it over. I need to put a cap on that.
That should be it, right? You can hold this in.
So.
Now it's just breaking the RTV.
You need a bucket.
Yeah, to dump this fluid in.
You need a funnel? I got a little funnel.
Alright, there's two snap rings in here that we have to remove. This whole shaft is coming out, so you've got to take this, I don't even know what that's called, that cover off first.
Well, the first thing was a dust shield.
Yeah, you guys saw that.
Next set.
So you guys can see it. There's a big snap ring down in there holding that bearing in. Oh, yes.
Money.
Precision.
One snap ring.
Oh, that's a C-clip.
Oh, that is a C-clip. Okay, I got a gap. This is not the official way to do this.
No.
There. Oh, we almost had it.
Or it's stuck.
I think you mean off.
Stuck off.
It's stuck in the other snap ring hole. See, we turn the camera off and you get it. There's a lot of RTV on that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah, there we go. She's good. Okay. There we go.
Looks like you gotta slide the other one off.
Yep.
So both of those gotta go?
Uh-huh.
Oh, two snap rings. That's
Well, now we're on number 3.
you get it.
It no go.
Hit that with a screwdriver on the back end. No, up. Jesus Christ. Why'd you hit it down?
You can't say which way.
There. Now do the back. Come over on this side. There we go. There we go.
So you probably have to get it off to get.
Oh, by the way, the reason we're doing this because of that hack job there.
It's called a hack and tap. There's a real thing.
Yeah,
But I've never seen one so crooked.
Do they really have to hack it that bad? Alright guys, we really didn't do a good job filming this one. We went ahead and messed with those C-clips for a little bit, got those off, got the cover off. Then Cory removed all the bolts from the case. We split the case in half, and here's what the difference between the slip yoke eliminator and the main shaft look like.
How tough can this be now?
Got it!
Yay!
And it goes right back on.
Reusable.
Where's your new shaft?
Right here.
Because you basically flip this over, drop them off, slide the new one on, so you don't screw it up.
Beef. Okay.
It's what's
Wimpy. Hefty.
Hey, put some goo on that. It's in that bucket behind you.
Yeah.
Assembly lube. Actually, okay.
That's not where,
No,
but
not
okay.
that part.
The
The
brace
bearings
part.
Jesus.
Okay. So this end. Off.
Ready?
Yep, I got 'em.
No needle bearings, thank God.
Oh.
Tap taparoo.
Not even. Okay. Alright. Now let's
Now
put snapping
reverse.
back in.
This will be exciting.
We started
Don't
this.
mess this up.
Hopefully that should just walk right
Yeah,
on.
it should. There. Perfect.
That's not it.
I know.
Nailed it.
My part's done. Yikes, I don't know if I like that. It's pretty bent.
I know, it'll be fine. This is the way they did it in the old days.
What's the old
When they
days?
rode their horse in to fix their transfer case. Jesus. This is how the pioneers fix their transfer case. With a Craftsman screwdriver and will. He's gonna be mad.
Dad's gonna be so upset.
You're in the groove up here. Oh, it's going.
Yeah. Boom shakalaka. Was it pretty? No. Is it in? Yes. That's what she said.
Oh, that's staying in. Set the
Yeah.
shit for it.
There you go,
Wait,
bud.
wait, just rotate the.
No, that's not right. Yeah, it is.
Is it?
Yeah, it is. That's right.
That's right.
It's absolutely right. It stretches enough.
Alright. Hold.
Nope, nope, nope. Is it on this one?
Yeah.
Top.
Yeah.
Perfect. Squiggle.
An angle. Oh wow. Okay, that chain has some slack.
Yeah, that's not all the way in yet. There it is.
There we go.
Alright, what's next? RTV?
Yep.
Glue the top.
The black goo.
I've got a new nut.
Edits.
Another.
Oh,
And I got speedo sensor.
The speedo sensor.
I thought we put that in the end.
No, the one that goes on there. There you go. That one goes on first. Oh, so you run your bead, let it sit for an hour,
Yeah,
and
let
let
it
the case
cure
in?
and then smush it back together. Wow. That other guy could have iced the cake and you cannot. Thanks, Advanced Adapters, for showing us what to do.
Video link in description.
When did it say to use the 2 wrenches and pry it out?
It's a TVN special.
Yeah. Sometimes monkeys use sticks as crude tools.
There's supposed to be a retaining clip under the speedometer here.
Oh, right here? Okay.
Oh, right in there? So it holds the speedo in like that?
That's fine.
It goes
No,
on
it's not.
after you put the other half of the case on.
So everything we've done up to now is fine?
Yes.
Yes.
Do it.
And what foot-pounds?
20 to 25.
Not that.
No, not that.
Not that. No.
No Ugga-Duggas.
Hey, Corey,
What?
what did you not put in the case that I said don't forget to put in the case?
The oil, so yeah. Yep.
Oh, no, it's right here. This was a very...
They went all the setup silicone. Tore it in pieces.
It actually tore?
Yeah.
So I said it was set up.
It'll be fine. Slap it back together.
It's torn and in chunks, and there's holes now. Are you serious?
Well, who forgot to put it in there? So now
It's
you're going to
fine.
re-clean it and redo it?
Yeah.
That sucks. Okay, silicone round 2. 22 more minutes.
Picasso here is going to get RCB on the inside.
Now show the camera how pretty of a job you did. Now grab on the inside.
Give it a little tap. There you go. In.
Drop in that slot.
That it did.
So it worked just like I said it would. How about that?
You want to smack him or you want me to?
Here, you got a
Which one
got
is-
O-ring still in there?
Yes, sir.
And then you got to kind of hook it with a pick.
No, hook underneath it. Like that. There you go.
Alright, we're in. Go down. Go down. In there like swimwear. No. More. There, come with me. There you go. There we go. Now we're out. Speedo?
Ain't got nothing on us.
No.
What's that
I don't know
right
why
here?
Seth makes it look so hard.
Barely even started the truck.
There we go. We're almost there. There it goes. We're in. Like that. You're good. It'll suck in. Speedo.
Now what goes in this is the other plug.
Yeah, I think one of those plugs with some RTV on it.
Doesn't need RTV. It's got
No.
a ring on it.
Oh, okay. Even better. Well, I think that's about it.
This. Oh, goes to the other side.
I really hope whoever watches the video notices the window in the background and how dark it got from when we started it.
That's the keeper.
15.
30 foot-pounds is the bottom case.
What's the top?
15 to 20.
That makes a lot more sense.
Okay.
So,
And
30 on the motors.
Those are all 30. That's scary.
That feels like a lot for 30 foot-pounds.
Feel my brain.
Push in?
Yeah.
Huh.
Now I just gotta find the bolt. Found it. This did not feel good though. It goes in maybe 3 good turns and then thunk.
Yeah. Doesn't feel great.
Easy.
It's got a long ways to go.
Yeah, there were no extra bolts in the kit. I don't know why they would make you reuse
Did
that
you
one.
just tighten it until it's loose? Stack washers on it?
Good enough?
Good enough? Beautiful.
Alright. Yeah. Hey, is that good RTV?
Yep.
Yep.
That gets oiled, I got the RTV. Or you can just push it in.
Go. Throw oil in it.
Nope.
I'm gonna go with that one.
Okay. What are we cranking this thing to?
140.
It said wait for an hour to let the silicone seal.
Thanks for watching. See you in 2 weeks after we install it to rebuild it again. The proper way. The 5th time. By a professional.